Hi, if you are planning to build a high growth career in data engineering, data analytics, or big data technologies, then Databricks training is an excellent choice for you. Databricks is a powerful unified data analytics platform built on Apache Spark, widely used by organizations to process large scale data, build data pipelines, and develop advanced analytics and machine learning solutions. In this course, you will learn how to work with Databricks Workplace and develop advanced analytics and machine learning solution. In this course, you will learn how to work with Databricks Workspace, notebooks and clusters, how to perform data processing using Spark with Python and SQL, and how to build scalable ETL pipelines for real-time and batch data. You will also gain hand-on experience with Delta Lake, data optimization technique, data integration and collaboration in cloud environments such as Azure, AWS or GCP. This training is ideal for BCA, BSc IT, MCA engineering student, fresher and working professionals who want to move into data-driven roles. After completing the course, you will be job ready for positions such as data engineer, big data engineer, analytics engineer or Databricks developer. In India, freshers trained in Databricks typically start with packages of 6 to 10 LPA. Professional with 2 to 4 years of experience earn around 12 to 20 LPA. Senior data engineers or architect can earn 25 LPA and above. Strong demand across global enterprises. Join our free demo class today and take the first step toward a successful career in Databricks.